Now let's see the next question, that is question number 58. Given below is the diagrammatic representation of one of the categories of small molecular weight organic compound in the living tissue. Identify the category shown and the one blank component X in it. So student, this is the figure you have already got in the chapter biomolecule. So what is this category? This is nucleoside, right? And the X component is the uracil. Now let's see what are the options given for this question. Option number A is nucleotide is the category, component is adenine. Option number B, nucleoside and the component is uracil. And the option number C is cholesterol and guanine. And option number D, amino acid NH2. So what is the correct answer? We have got, that is option number B. So the category of the figure is nucleoside and the component X is the uracil. So this is the correct answer for this question. Now let's move on to the next question. In this question number 59, you can see ribosomal RNA is actively synthesized in option number A, nucleoplasm, option number B, ribosomes, option number C, lysosomes, and option number D, nucleolus. Student, in the chapter Cell the Unit of Life, while discussing about the ultrastructure of nucleus, we have talked about this, that ribosomal RNA is actively synthesized in option number D, that is nucleolus. So option number D is the correct answer for this question. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 60. F2 generation in a Mendelian cross showed that both the genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same as 1:2:1. It represents a case of option number A, monohybrid cross with complete dominance, option number B, monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance, and option number C, codominance, and the last option is option number D, dihybrid cross. Student, in the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation, we have discussed about monohybrid cross. So what is the correct answer among these four options? The correct answer is option number B, that is monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance. This is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 61. In this question number 61, the question is, what was the most significant trend in the evolution of modern man, that is Homo sapiens, from his ancestors? Option number A, increasing cranial capacity, option number B, upright posture, option number C, shortening of claws, option number D, binocular vision. This is a very easy question and it has directly come from your NCERT textbook of the chapter evolution. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number A, that is increasing cranial capacity. So this is the evolution of modern man from his ancestors. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 62. In this question number 62, you can see, if one strand of DNA has the nitrogenous base sequence as A, T, C, T, G, what would be the complementary RNA strand sequence? Student, in the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance, we have taught about this. So what is the correct answer? It is given that the DNA sequence is A, T, C, T and G. That means adenine, thymine, cytosine, thymine and guanine. So in RNA it will be adenine will bind with thymine, but in the case of RNA the thymine is replaced with uracil. So it will be uracil, then the thymine will be binding with adenine, cytosine will be bind with guanine and thymine will bind with adenine and guanine will bind with cytosine. So this is the sequence of RNA. So among these four options, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is given in option number D. Option number D is the correct answer for this question. Now let's see the next question. That is question number 63. Which one of the following options gives one correct example each of convergent evolution and divergent evolution? Now, in this question you can see there are 4 options given. Now, in the option number A, it is written bones of 4 limbs of vertebrates is the convergent evolution and the divergent evolution is wings of butterfly and birds. That is the incorrect example. Next is option number B, thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita is the convergent evolution, whereas the divergent evolution is the eyes of octopus and mammals. Next, in option number C, it is written eyes of octopus and mammals is the convergent evolution and the divergent evolution is bones of 4 limbs of vertebrates. That is the correctly matched option. And next, in option number D, it is written thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita is the convergent evolution, whereas the divergent evolution is the wings of butterflies and birds. That is the incorrect example. So, among these 4 options, option number C is the correct answer and it has come from the chapter evolution, right. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 64. A normal visioned man whose father was colorblind marries a woman who had a colorblind mother and a normal father. They have their first child as a daughter. What are the chances that this child would be colorblind? Option number A 25%, option number B 50%, option number C 100% and option number D 0%. Student, this is from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So, we know that colorblind is a autosomal recessive disorder present on X chromosome, right. So, it is a autosomal recessive disorder which is present on X chromosome, right. Student, this is from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. We know that colorblind is a autosomal recessive disorder present on X chromosome. So, the probability of the female child being colorblind is 0%, which is given in option number D. So, 0% is the correct answer of this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 65. Select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of muscular or skeletal system. Option number A, myasthenia gravis, which is autoimmune disorder which inhibits sliding of myosin filament. Option number B, GOT, that is the inflammation of joint due to extra deposition of calcium. Option number C, muscular dystrophy, which is the age-related shortening of muscles. Option number D, osteoporosis, which is decrease in bone mass and higher chances of fractures with advancing age. So, we have got in the chapter Locomotion and Movement about different types of disorders. So, what is the correct statement? The correct statement is option number D, which is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a age-related disorder and it decreases the bone mass and higher chances of fractures are there in the old people. So, this is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 66. A certain road accident patient with unknown blood groups needs immediate blood transfusions. His one doctor friend at once offers his blood. What was the blood group of the donor? Option number A, blood group O, option number B, blood group A, option number C, blood group B, option number D, blood group AB. So, which of the following is the correct answer? The correct answer is blood group O, which are also called as the universal donor, which means option number A is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 67. The maximum number of electrolytes and water 70 to 80% from the glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed in which part of the nephron? Option number A, proximal convoluted tubule. Option number B, descending limb of loop of Henle. Option number C, descending limb of loop of Henle, and option number D, distal convoluted tubule. This is from the chapter excretory products and their elimination. So, what is the correct answer? In which of the following option the maximum number of electrolytes and water from the glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed? That is proximal convoluted tubule. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 68. The human hindbrain comprises of 3 parts, one of which is option number A, cerebellum, option number B, hypothalamus, option number C, spinal cord, and option number D, corpus callosum. So, student, what are the 3 parts of the human hindbrain? That is pons, then cerebellum and medulla. So, out of these 3 parts, what is written in this option? That is option number A is cerebellum, which means option number A is the correct answer. Whereas in option number B it is written hypothalamus, option number C is spinal cord, and option number D is corpus callosum. These 3 are not the parts of hindbrain. So, option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us move to the next question, that is question number 69. Which one of the following pairs of hormones are the example of those that can easily pass through the cell membrane of the target cell and bind to a receptor inside it, mostly in the nucleus? Option number A, somatostatin, oxytocin. Option number B, cortisol, testosterone. Option number C, insulin, glucagon, and option number D, thyroxine, insulin. This is from the chapter chemical coordination and integration. So, which of the following is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B, which is cortisol and testosterone. This is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 70. The Leydig cells as found in the human body are the secretory source of option number A, glucagon, option number B, androgens, option number C, progesterone, and option number D, intestinal mucus. Student, this is a very easy question. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B, androgens. So, this is the correct answer for question number 70. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 71. Select the correct statement from the ones given below with respect to Periplaneta americana. Option number A, there are 16 very long Malpighian tubules present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Option number B, grinding of food is carried out only by the mouth parts. Option number C, nervous system located dorsally consists of segmentally arranged ganglia joined by a pair of longitudinal connectives. And option number D, males bear a pair of short thread-like anal styles. This is from the chapter structural organization in animals. So, what is the correct answer? The correct statement is option number D, which state males bear a pair of short thread-like anal style. So, this is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 72. Anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human may lead to option number A, diarrhea, option number B, vomiting, option number C, indigestion, and option number D, jaundice. Student, in this question it is written anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human being may lead to option number C, that is indigestion. So, this is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 73. In this question number 73, you can see which one of the following is the correct statement for respiration in humans. Option number A, workers in grinding and stone breaking industry may suffer from lung fibrosis. Option number B, about 90% of carbon dioxide is carried by hemoglobin as carbamino hemoglobin. Option number C, cigarette smoking may lead to inflammation of bronchi. And option number D, neural signals from pneumotaxic center in pons region of brain can increase the duration of inspiration. Student, in the chapter breathing and exchange of gas, we have discussed different types of disorders in humans. So, what is the correct answer among this? The correct answer is workers in grinding and stone breaking industries may suffer from lung fibrosis. This is the correct statement of this question, which means option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 74. What is correct to say about the hormone actions in human? Option number A, in females, FSH first bind with specific receptors on the ovarian cell membrane. Option number B, FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, stimulate the secretion of estrogen and progesterone. Option number C, glucagon is secreted by the cells of islets of Langerhans and stimulate glycogenolysis. Option number D, secretion of thymosin is stimulated with A gene. So, student, in this question you have to select the correct statement about the hormone action in human. This is also from the chapter chemical coordination and integration. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is in female the follicle stimulating hormone first bind with specific receptors on the ovarian cell membrane. So, option number A is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 75. Pheretima and its close relatives derive nourishment from option number A, soil insect, option number B, small pieces of fresh fallen leaves of maize, etc. Option number C, sugarcane rots, option number D, decaying falling leaves and soil organic matter. Student, Pheretima, this is the scientific name of earthworm, right? So, this is the scientific name of earthworm. So, earthworm and its close relatives derive nourishment from decaying fallen leaves and soil organic matter, which is given in option number D. So, option number D is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 76. Compared to those of humans, the erythrocytes in frog are option number A, very much smaller and fewer, option number B, nucleated and without hemoglobin, option number C, without nucleus but with hemoglobin, option number D, nucleated and with hemoglobin. Student, in the chapter structural organization in animals, we have discussed about the anatomy of frog. So, which of the following is the correct option for the erythrocytes in frog? Erythrocytes we know, that is the red blood cells. So, the red blood cells in frogs are nucleated and they contain a red pigment which is called as hemoglobin. So, from these four options, option number D is the correct answer for this question, that is nucleated and with hemoglobin. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 77. Which one is the most abundant protein in the animal world? Option number A, collagen, option number B, insulin, option number C, trypsin and option number D, hemoglobin. Student, this is a very easy question. So, collagen is the most abundant protein in the animal world. So, from these four options, option number A is the correct one. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 78. Which part of the human ear plays no role in hearing as such, but is otherwise very much required? Option number A, vestibular apparatus, option number B, ear ossicles, option number C, Eustachian tube, option number D, organ of Corti. Student, what is the correct answer? Here in this question it is written, which part of the human ear plays no role in hearing, but it is also plays an important role and it is very much required. That is option number A, vestibular apparatus. Vestibular apparatus do not play any role in hearing, but they help in maintaining the body posture and balancing of the body. So, this is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 79. A person entering an empty room suddenly finds a snake right in front of an opening the door. Which one of the following is likely to happen in his neurohormonal control system? Option number A, hypothalamus activates the parasympathetic divisions of brain. Option number B, sympathetic nervous system is activated releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal cortex. Option number C, sympathetic nervous system is activated releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal medulla. And option number D, neurotransmitters diffuse rapidly across the cleft and transmit a nerve impulse. Student, what is the correct answer among this? The correct answer is sympathetic nervous system is activated releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal medulla. They release when there is any emergency situation, right? So, that is the stress hormone. So, from this 4 option, option number C is the correct one. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 80. In a normal pregnant woman, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed. The result expected was option number A, high levels of FSH and LH in uterus to stimulate endometrial thickening. Option number B, high levels of circulating HCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. Option number C, high levels of circulating FSH and LH in the uterus to stimulate implantations of the embryo. Option number D, high levels of circulating HCG to stimulate endometrial thickening. So, student, in this question it is written, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed in a normal pregnant woman. Then what is the result expected? The result expected was the high levels of circulating HCG, which means human chorionic gonadotropin. This is a hormone which is secreted by placenta, right? This is a hormone secreted by placenta. We have got this information in the chapter human reproduction. So, this hormones is secreted by placenta, and with their increase in level of circulating this hormone, it stimulates the estrogen and progesterone synthesis, which means among these 4 options, option number B is the correct one, that is high levels of circulating HCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. So, this is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 81. The test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Option number A, gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is GIFT. Option number B, zygote intrafallopian transfer, that is ZIFT. Option number C, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, that is ICSI. And option number D, intrauterine insemination, which is IUI. Student, in the chapter reproductive health, we have taught about this, that the test tube baby program employs zygote intrafallopian transfer, which is ZIFT. So, among these 4 options, option number B is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 82. Signals for parturition originate from option number A, placenta only, option number B, fully developed fetus only, option number C, both placenta as well as fully developed fetus, option number D, oxytocin released from maternal pituitary. So, student, in the chapter human reproduction, we have discussed about parturition. So, the signals for parturition originate from both the placenta as well as fully developed fetus. That means option number C is the correct answer.